China. But how do you spell it? Yeah, China.
Hi, I'm Simon Lipkin, and this is the Castle Wallet.
2019.
How the f*** is it done that? How have you done that? How have you done that?
Can you peek? Yes, you can. Can you switch? No, you can't. Can you do something else really cool that isn't available in most other wallets and will blow your spectators' minds and you're going to love it? Whoever you're performing for can think of anything that they want. And then, with no sleight of hand, no palming, no complicated moves, that freely chosen thought can be predicted between the credit cards inside your wallet, seemingly before the trick even began. Now that's powerful. Because inside my wallet, I put it securely between two of the cards. I wrote something on a piece of paper. Jacob, take that out. Can you read out what that says?
The last word in the game will be pink.
All right.
He's done it again.
You bamboozled us.
The Castle Wallet is a simple, modern powerhouse in your pocket. We've designed this card holder from the ground up. It's sleek, it's cutting edge, it is easy to do, and it is waiting for you to blow your spectators' minds. Before we started this, before I even said hello to you, before you came over, inside my wallet, in here, I put it between the credit cards, so it was definitely locked in. I put one piece of paper, and that piece of paper said, I hope you enjoyed your trip, but no matter where we start, we should end in Togo.
How'd you know that?
Once you get your hands on a Castle Wallet, you will be able to unlock an in-depth tutorial where I teach you some of my favourite routines, from PIN code and password reveals, to routines for couples, to routines for a whole table of people. This incredible product really is perfect for every environment. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, because once you see how versatile this is, you will start to come up with endless ideas. It's modern, it's sleek, it's versatile, and it is just waiting for you. There have been some incredible Magic Wallets released over the years, and let's be honest, we've all got a problem. We're obsessed with them. Let's feed the obsession, because this is the Castle Wallet.